I'm here to help you discover the easiest digital side hustle for women 50 plus who want to regain their time, freedom, and financial independence. Learn how to build a simple online digital business using proven digital products that we provide without having a lot of tech skills or having to have paid ads. You're going to see how others over 50 are using the exact same business model to earn flexible income from home, even 6- and 7-figure incomes, so that they can spend more time with the people that they love. If you're somebody who's tired of trading all your time for a paycheck, this video could change everything without having to be great at a computer or guessing on how to make it work, because we tell you step by step and work with you on a daily basis. What would an extra $900 or $1,400 a day mean for you and your family? How would that change your life? Would you take that family trip to Disney World or cruise in the Caribbean, work less, be at all those sports competitions with your children, or take that trip to Italy with your spouse? We want to start today with the outcome that we're going to get from this business. So let's see how we go about doing it with this model. If you don't know me, I'm Sandy, a retired career mom from Newfoundland, Canada, who was missing too much time with my son, who would soon be leaving home for post-secondary. I started looking online and came across a mostly done-for-you, proven digital business. I've met 6- and 7-figure earners who use this exact same blueprint, who wanted more out of life the same as I do, and are only working 2 to 3 hours a day from anywhere in the world there's a Wi-Fi connection. Within our business community, of which we're #1 on the Skool platform, it's a digital community app for engagement and for growing totally organically, meaning we have no paid ads. We've reached 29 million within the first 10 months in this business. Today, we have 25 self-made millionaires and 123 6-figure earners, with many more earning 4 to 5 figures monthly. We know the system works. And we've grown to 58,000 members since September 2022. Let's cover the 5 points that make this business model work. And the 5th point, I'll share with you why you can start right now, no matter where you are in your life, as this is the easiest and most affordable side hustle for anybody that's looking for a change and a chance of being able to live their dreams. Point number 1, finding the right business model and what actually works for women over 50. Most of us grew up believing that to earn more, we had to work more. But that's not necessarily true. The digital economy allows you to sell knowledge and digital products that run online 24/7, even while you're enjoying coffee with your best friend or babysitting your grandchildren. The key is to use a done-for-you system that already includes the products, the website, automation, and a community to engage with. These are major parts of a business model that you need. And these digital products teach skills people are actively searching for, like social media marketing, attraction marketing, creating an online income, crafting your message, learning how to tell your story, recurring income, email marketing, and using AI, which we've been using for a while now anyway. Every time you have an autocorrection on your phone or you Google something, it'll come back with an automatic response. Proof that the model you purchase works is huge. And being able to interact with a community of other business owners that are using the same model you are. For instance, Daryl and Carrie. Even if you've never built a business before, or if you're thinking that this model makes sense, but you need to see how it all fits together, grab my free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. It breaks this all down for you step by step. Point number 2, the question that stopped me for years, and probably many of you, is what to sell. Do I need something to sell to make money online? Yes, you do. But here's the good news. You don't have to create it. You don't have to create your own product if you don't want to. The most successful women I know are leveraging programs with master resale rights. And what that means is that you can resell proven, done-for-you digital products and keep 100% of the profit. Imagine earning $300, $600, $900, or $1,400 per sell on products that are already done for you in demand, that come with full step-by-step training. These programs teach you everything that you need on how to market them, and in a way that the customer comes to you. So you're not chasing family and friends, something I never wanted to do. You can earn at the same time while you're learning. Like Jerry, only after 30 days of starting the program, you actually get your full investment back with just one sale. The power of this business model is you're investing in your freedom and not another job, while helping somebody else do the same. Point number 3 is automation. This part of the business is mind-blowing because I'm not techie. And automation means that your system works for you even when you're not online. Once it's set up, it captures leads, sends emails, follows up with potential customers, and to some degree, even closes the sales while you live your life. We use a free platform called System.io, where it manages your funnels, email sequences, and your payment plans, everything in one place. make up to your first 6 figures before having to upgrade to a paid version. There's a link in the description below to System.io if you're interested in taking a look. So while you're out camping, traveling, and making memories, your freedom machine is running in the background. That's the beauty of digital automation. It gives you your time back. Point number 4, not having any sales pressure. If you're like me, you're thinking, but I don't want to be a salesperson. I didn't either. And that's why this isn't about chasing friends or family or cold messaging people. You post to social media, or if you're not comfortable with social media like TikTok or Facebook, try platforms like YouTube and Pinterest. We show you step by step how to do that. If you're interested in learning exactly how to set up and use YouTube, for example, to advance your business, we have a community with weekly meetings and instruction on how to best utilize this amazing platform. The link is in the description below. The content you put out attracts people like you as they understand you and your story. The automation shares the information, answers questions, and helps people make their own decisions. And then they come to you. So you never hear the word no, because you're not chasing anybody. You're just simply providing them with an opportunity that can potentially change their lives. You're inviting people to learn more through your system. They watch, decide, buy, and you earn. No awkward communication, no pressure, just value shared through a professional system. If you're a visual learner like me and you want to see exactly how all these tools work on various platforms within this business model behind the scenes, be sure to check out the free class link below. It walks you through the full strategy of how it works. Remember, the people who come through your system are already interested. You're attracting the right people instead of convincing the wrong people. For me, that's career moms who want more than just working full-time away from their families. And that doesn't mean having to give up your job or your career completely unless you want to, which leads to my 5th point. Why this business works for women over 50. They can start right now because it fits into your life and not the other way around. You can build this part-time while still working or during your retirement years. You can do it from your phone, laptop, your RV while traveling. Begin with a 2-hour workday, and we show you how you can work around your day in the mornings, at noon, while the automation does most of the heavy lifting for you. It's a flexible, beginner-friendly business, and it allows you to earn while you learn. Women inside our community are replacing full-time incomes, paying off debt, and finally getting to enjoy their freedom, not just dream about it. You've spent decades helping everybody else and working hard. Now it's time to create something that'll help you and still leaves room for what matters most, your family and what dreams you have for your life. It's not too late. You're not too old. You're right on time to start something that gives you income and independence. If you want to see exactly how the system works and start earning while learning, grab the free Freedom Formula Blueprint below. Don't forget to answer the question I asked earlier. What would that extra $900 or $1,400 a day mean to you and your family? I can't wait to read the comments. Now that you know the easiest digital side hustle to start as a beginner at 50 plus, you might be wondering how to sell digital products without spending money. It all starts by watching this video next, because when you pair that with what you've just learned, it's more powerful. Download my Freedom Formula Blueprint below. Thanks for listening. See you in the next video.